My name is Giovanni Savoca. I'm the Vice President of Engineering and MFC Design at Takeoff. Takeoff is a company that has developed a revolutionary concept, the Micro-Fulfillment Center, that helps our clients increase productivity and get better throughput at a very profitable level in the market. Imagine a supermarket chain like Albertson in California or Woolworth in Australia. Those are our typical clients. We are at 26 now, doubling next year. And the number of sites that we are going to be covering in the CMMS are going to be like 25 out of 26. We were having a very important challenge on what we call the stability of our system. As we are using advanced technology, robotics, and lots of automation, we needed to have everything working like a Swiss clock. And to achieve that, we had to make sure we built something that was done in a way that helped our clients in the 24/7, 365 days of work without interfering too much in what they do to keep our system at top performance. I think Fiix is a combination of good technology without being too complicated. What I mean by that? With some systems, you need to understand their data model. How are you going to fill all the information in, trying to understand what are the ways in which you're going to load in which order, because the data model needs to have this first, then that. Fiix removed that complexity. It's very easy to load through spreadsheets, knowing what you want to do, and that was something that was very important. And the second part was the fact that we needed to have solutions in a short time, and we were able to achieve that in a month and a half. From the moment we started the project with Fiix to the moment where we got 10 sites up and running. And now we can add a new site in less than 2 weeks, all assets, all things, because we learned how to standardize and use Fiix for that, and has been working nice. The fact that we developed this one rhythm, one framework, and one team, what happens is we get, the way we dimension this, we said we want to have enough preventive, but not too much. And we set that time at about 20 hours per week. We also gave the technicians the flexibility to adapt to whatever the client has as a need. And instead of having work orders being triggered hourly, daily, things like that, they have a week to perform. And through that, we have been able to manage those work orders worldwide in a very nice way. We are talking about 1,000, 1,200 work orders, depending on the week, that are triggered all over the world. And that is something that we were able to do very fast with Fiix. The fact that before Fiix we did not have regular preventive maintenance. It was more depending on where you were, what site are you talking to, and things like that. And that was very difficult to measure, because now it becomes a specialty. Everybody was putting like their best, but the overall was not getting the best performance. With Fiix, we were able to achieve 85% above that, which tends to be world-class kind of number on preventative maintenance. Our planned work, it's above 90%. 10% now is reactive work because the preventative is able to tell us sooner what needs to be done, and then we can plan the corrective versus being surprised by problems. And another interesting part is by doing that, the number of failures have decreased, and our mean time between failure went triple. And that gives you better reliability, more stability, and happy clients.